Hi, my name is Wood. 5 months ago, I couldn't speak English confidently. I understood a few words here and there, but I froze when someone asked me a question. I was embarrassed, anxious, and, honestly, I wanted to give up. But I didn't. I work in customer service at a hotel. Every day, tourists from all over the world check in. Most speak English. I used to avoid eye contact, hoping someone else would talk to them. One day my boss said, "Wood, you must improve your English or you'll lose this job." That hit me hard. I started with the basics, just 10 words a day, simple ones like eat, go, good, bad, morning and night. I wrote them in a notebook and read them aloud. I didn't try to learn grammar at first. I focused only on understanding and speaking. I began listening to English podcasts every morning while I got ready for work. Not just language podcasts, but real conversations. At first, I understood nothing, but after a week, I caught one word. Then two. I started guessing the meaning based on tone and expression. This was the hardest part, speaking out loud. I was afraid of being judged. One day, I said to myself, "Nobody remembers your mistakes. They only remember your confidence." So I started speaking. At the grocery store, in front of the mirror, even to my cat. I followed 3 simple rules. Learn 5 to 10 new words daily. Speak something in English every day. Listen to English at least 30 minutes a day. That's it. I didn't buy expensive courses. I didn't join big academies. I made English part of my life. When I cooked, I said the names of the ingredients in English. When I cleaned, I described what I was doing in English. It felt silly at first, but soon my brain started thinking in English. I discovered a technique called shadowing. You listen to a native speaker and repeat what they say at the same time. It trained my mouth to speak like them. I used short YouTube videos and copied every word and expression. It was powerful. Some days I felt like quitting. Once someone laughed at me when I mispronounced beach. I cried that night, but the next day I practiced it 50 times. I turned my shame into fuel. You must be ready to fail if you want to win. I started reading English children's books, simple language, fun stories, and no pressure. The Very Hungry Caterpillar was my first book. I read it out loud 10 times. It built my confidence. After that, I moved to short stories, then articles. I joined a language exchange app. I spoke with people in the US, UK, and India. They corrected me kindly. I made friends. We talked about food, culture, real topics. That's how I learned real English, not textbook English. After 2 months, I understood full sentences in movies. After 3 months, I could hold small conversations. After 4 months, I gave my first customer welcome in English. At 5 months, I led a tour group, all in English. I stopped feeling ashamed. I started feeling proud. English gave me confidence, not just at work, but in life. I started speaking up in meetings. I got compliments. I was no longer afraid to talk. I was finally heard. If you're starting now, here's my advice. Don't aim for perfect grammar. Focus on communication. Speak broken English, but speak. Don't wait to be ready. Start now. Morning. Listen to a podcast while brushing teeth. Afternoon. Learn 5 new words. Use them in sentences. Evening. Watch a 10-minute English video. Night. Speak to yourself in English before sleeping. I stopped saying, "I can't speak English." I started saying, "I'm learning to speak English." Words have power. Speak with hope. Don't speak with fear. If I could show you a video of my first English recording, you'd laugh. I did too. But now, I feel proud of my voice. I'm still learning, but I've come so far. 5 months changed my life, not because I'm special, but because I didn't quit. If you're watching this, you've already taken your first step. Keep going. You can do this. One word at a time.